In this video, I'll show you how to adjust picture settings on Roku TV. Step 1. Open the picture settings. Go to the settings menu from the home screen. Scroll down and select display type or picture settings. Adjust your brightness, contrast and a lot of other settings. Step 2. Adjust picture modes. Roku offers several picture modes like normal, vivid or movie. Then select the best mode based on your viewing environment. Test the modes to find the optimal picture. Step 3. Calibrate the picture settings. Use the built-in calibration tools for optimal picture quality. You can make subtle adjustments to fine-tune the picture. Save your settings and enjoy your personalized display. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. I'll read them. I'll try to answer. Bye.